Before you begin, make sure to wear adequate protective gear. Install base according to ICPI recommendations. Joint width must be between 1/16 of an inch and 2 inches. The minimum joint depth is 1.5 inches. Although HP Nextgel can resist an unforeseen rain 60 minutes after its installation, 24 to 48 hours without rain after installation is optimal for a durable installation. Sprinkler system must be turned off. Test product to make sure texture and color meet expectations. Temperature must remain above 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius for the entire installation and drying period. On a dry surface, spread product evenly on pavers to fill joints completely. Avoid pushing sand over long distances. Pass a plate compactor over the entire surface to fully firm up the joints. Compaction is an essential step that brings sand and binders closer together, preventing binder washout and accelerating the drying process while generating a denser, stronger joint. Spread more sand on pavers to fill the joints once more. Then pass the plate compactor a final time. Sand level should be 1/8 of an inch below the top of the pavers. Add more sand if necessary. Remove all excess sand residue from the surface of the pavers with a leaf blower. This step is especially critical for textured pavers. Define a 200 square foot section starting from the bottom of the slope. Adjust the nozzle to obtain a shower. Quickly shower a 200 square foot section to set the sand. 10 to 15 seconds should be sufficient. Immediately afterwards, wet the same section for 30 seconds. For joints wider than 1/2 an inch, wet sections no larger than 50 square feet. For each section, shower for 30 seconds a first time, then shower again for another 30 seconds or until joints can no longer absorb water. Move on to an adjacent section immediately. Always finish the wetting of a section before moving on to the next. On textured pavers, as soon as wetting is completed on approximately 1,000 square feet, use a leaf blower to blow the excess water off the surface of the pavers. This will remove any standing water and prevent any dirt residue from soiling the pavers. Avoid creating runoffs, as this could wash out some of the binders. To ensure optimal cohesion and long-term stability, HP Nextgel jointing sand must dry completely after initial wetting. Drying time will be shorter if it is warm and dry, and longer if the climate is cool and damp. HP Nextgel jointing sand needs 30 days to cure completely. Pavers should not be cleaned with any acidic cleaners, including Paver Prep from Techniseal, before the end of this curing period. We hope this short video helps you take advantage of all of HP Nextgel's potential. For more information on this product or to watch other videos about Techniseal products, we invite you to visit Techniseal.com.